So we'll do a gentle somatic yoga prep for deer pose or pigeon and sleeping swan, depending which one you like to do. All right. So you may need to first just move your spine a few times in and out. And then draw your right leg behind you out for a moment and draw the knee in toward the nose. And doing that 2 more times. Engaging and disengaging. So now it is your right leg that is going to come through, and you might just be sitting like this in a deer pose. Some of you might already be able to stretch that back leg back. I can't at this point. So I'm going to have my, and I'm not mirroring you. My right leg is in the front and my left leg is in the back. And then continuing some prep poses for this yin pose. Just engage muscles as you, so you're engaging the back leg and the front. You come up and then sit back down again. And do this 2 more times. So I'm coming up to my fingertips, engaging muscles. And you may not be going up very far. It may just be an inch and then releasing. And then third time, engaging muscles and releasing. So now you might be ready to actually lean forward, but you still might need to lean onto something. So this is now our held pose.